Hey guys, Randy with Horizon Trailers here. Are you looking for your next Hotshot trailer? You've come to the right place. Today we'll be reviewing the FHZ Gooseneck Flatdeck. With axle options of 10K, 12K or even 16K duals, and ramp options like the slide-in, stand-up or mount ramps, this is the perfect trailer for hauling tractors, construction equipment or other heavy cargo. This trailer comes in pintle hitch or gooseneck with length options of 20 up to 44 feet and has a 12-inch I-beam for the mainframe. It has a 34-inch deck height and a 102-inch deck width. Follow me as I go through all the features it has to offer. Starting at the front of this FHZ, it comes with a 2.5/16 gooseneck adjustable coupler rated at 30,000 pounds, 3 8 grade 70 safety chains, a breakaway kit, and a 7-way RV all-weather wiring harness. For lifting its tongue, it comes with 2 spring-loaded drop leg jacks rated at 12,000 pounds each. In between the tongue, you will find this mega lockable toolbox, giving you all the space you need for the stuff you need on your job. Up here it comes standard with a spare tire. The gooseneck is made of a 12-inch engineered I-beam, giving it a nice design and durability. The mainframe is made of a 12-inch I-beam weighing in at 19 pounds per foot with 3-inch channel cross members spaced 16 inches apart and pine lumber flooring for the deck. The outer deck is made of a 2x6-inch 11-gauge tubing, plus we added a 4.5-inch torque tube. A nice little detail we added is these retractable steps. Gives you easy access to the deck, and once not in use, they're out of the way. This trailer has a deck height of 34 inches and a deck width of 102 inches. For securing cargo, it has ID stake pockets, rub rail, and the option of adding 4, 6, or 8 D-rings across the deck. For the running gear, it has 2 10K Lippert electric brake dual oil bath spring axles with 10-ply tires on 16-inch black mod wheels. Also, the upgrade option of 12K or 16K duals for the axles. At the rear of the deck, this FHZ comes standard with a straight deck and heavy-duty slide-in ramps, where it can be upgraded to a dovetail with mountain ramps or stand-up ramps. These ramps are the 8-foot-long, 4-inch channel ramp. Easy loading of equipment. Also, we have these nice big DOT approved Technique LED lights and marker lights here at the rear and along the side for extra visibility. And like with all of our trailers, this FHZ goes through our 6-step painting process, which includes steel grip blasting and a powder coat, ensuring that the paint will be durable. Plus, we have the option of adding zinc primer undercoat, giving extra durability. And remember, the FHZ comes with a 3-year structure and a 1-year component warranty, plus is NATM certified, giving you peace of mind that if you buy the FHZ, it will be top quality. If you're interested in buying this trailer, you can find a dealer near you on our website at horizontrailers.com/find a dealer. I'll catch you in the next video.